Dear friends, in this video we are going to see about how to make a data entry using Excel. So first we should identify what are the variables we need to get it. For example, name, organization, designation, email ID, mobile number, city and country. Now you can select all the variables and go to insert ribbon and create table. And by default it will ask you the first row will be a header. Just click it and OK. So the filters will be enabled, and now we can go for file option, then select option, and then you can see quick access toolbar. Select that. From that you can able to find out here change into command not in the ribbon, and then you can go for F. Yeah, we found out forms. Add it and then OK. So you can see here the files icon has been enabled. Just click that, so you can be able to feed the data. Name, use tab for next variable. After once you finished all the variables, just press enter. Automatically data will be enabled. Data will be in our Excel sheet. Alright. And yeah. So after that, just press enter. Automatically you'll be able to find the data has been in your Excel sheet. So if you want to go for finding the data, so previous one, find next. So if you want to edit, you can edit. Right. And if you want to delete any data, you can go for delete using this. I hope this video you will be able to understand how to feed the data using Excel.